stocks of PepGen debuted on the stock exchange amid a market crisis. Since the beginning of the year, the stock market has been extremely volatile, and the latest interest rate hike in the US could be impacting the indices. Likewise, the IPO market has remained weak, and its impact was seen on the PepGen stock as it opened at a higher price. However, it later declined to the IPO price during the same trading session. And it appears that the investors continue to remain skeptical, and despite a strong start, PepGen failed to generate more momentum and declined to the price of just $12.89 US per share at the end of the trading session. Notably, PepGen stock has opened at about 15.6 a share, a day after announcing the IPO terms, in which the price range of the shares was kept between $13 and $15 apiece. Later, the company said before the IPO that it would sell 9 million shares for $12 apiece. And during the trading session, PepGen stock reportedly rose to as much as 16.9 apiece, although the stock lost its momentum and declined rapidly to fall back to its IPO price. Now, for the unfamiliar, PepGen is a biotech involved in developing innovative therapies to treat complex neurological and neuromuscular disorders. The company has reportedly gone public to fund trials for the Duchenne muscular dystrophy, or DMD, market. Wedbush PacGrow led the IPO as the leading underwriter for the offering, and the joint underwriters included SVB Securities and BofA Securities, among others. In the prospectus filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission, PepGen said it's currently in clinical stage development of a product for DMD treatment. And the company might also be in the process of submitting that dataset to Health Canada for review. Looking at PepGen's financials, the company's cash and cash equivalents increased to $132 million US in 2021. And notably, this reflected a rise from $9.77 million in 2020. The net loss of the company, meanwhile, has expanded to around $27.3 million from just $1.9 in the same comparable period. Now that you're up to speed, hit that bell icon and sub to our channel as well to stay updated. I'm Holly Shields for kalkinemedia.